What Binance just did to Cardano ADA, and why ADA will hit $25. While Bitcoin and Ethereum have largely dominated the crypto space and are a tried and trusted form of investment, smart investors always seek to diversify their investment. Cardano represents a unique project that catches the fancy of many. Cardano is one of the oldest crypto projects, but is new in many aspects. It serves as a third-generation public blockchain and decentralized application platform. It also made history as the first blockchain to include a peer-reviewed research strategy within its architecture. So why will ADA hit $25, and why you should invest in ADA? To know the answer, watch this video till the end. Hi Cardano lovers, welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Before we get to the topic, let's analyze the ADA price. As of the 17th of July, Cardano price action for the past week has failed to break above the $1.40 mark, and ADA price has fallen back to just below the $1.20 mark. While the price at press time holds above the $1.15 mark, the bearish pressure is very strong, and the price may continue to fall if the selling continues. The broader cryptocurrency market observes a bearish sentiment across the last 24 hours, with most major cryptocurrencies recording a loss across the time frame. Many currencies which had a loss include Dogecoin and BNB that record a 7.27% and a 2.72% decrease respectively. Meanwhile, Bitcoin and Ethereum record a 2.27% and a 2.94% decrease respectively. Across the technical indicators, the MACD shows strong bearish momentum as observed in the increasing size of the dark red histogram. The indicator saw a bearish reversal at 4 a.m. today. Since then, bearish pressure is increasing steadily, and at press time is just below the negative 0.0300 mark. Across the EMAs, the 26 EMA is trading above the 12 EMA with an extremely smooth slope and continues diverging while both EMAs fall. The RSI is currently trading in the oversold region, issuing a strong sell signal as the indicator trades just above the 28.00 mark. The indicator started trading in the oversold region recently, with the bearish momentum only increasing in recent hours, giving an extremely high sell signal for Cardano price. Overall, the 4-hour technical analysis issues a strong sell signal, with 17 of the total 26 major technical indicators suggesting their support for a bearish movement. On the other hand, 0 indicators issue buy signals, suggesting bullish momentum. Meanwhile, 9 indicators sit on the fence, issuing no support for either side of the market. The 24-hour technical analysis shares this sentiment and also issues a sell signal, with 14 of the 26 indicators suggesting a bearish movement against only 2 indicators that suggest a bullish momentum. Now let's get back to our topic. Cardano ADA prides itself for being open-sourced, peer-reviewed, and evidence-based. Instead of designing the cryptocurrency and its following system with principles in mind such as Bitcoin, it has done the reverse. Through its extensive library of research and surveys, Cardano ADA's founders and developers have distilled some important principles to incorporate in its design, such as scalability in use cases for applications in different industries, such as agriculture, education, finance, government, healthcare, and retail, sustainability and environmental friendliness via a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, drastically cutting down energy requirements and carbon emissions, security in its system via a trustless and improved version of distributed ledger technology that incorporates multiple signatures. These principles are distilled in the goal of making Cardano ADA a more efficient world supercomputer of sorts, a decentralized computing platform focused on identity management. This does away with the inefficiency of the mining mechanism, proof of work, that Bitcoin and Ethereum uses, and moving towards a validation mechanism, proof of stake. How can Cardano ADA be applied in real life? Earlier, I mentioned that Cardano ADA has forged partnerships with the Ethiopian and Tanzanian governments, though those efforts were largely overshadowed by the 2021 Bitcoin crash. The idea is for Cardano to provide a blockchain-based mobile network to provide people with easy access to mobile connectivity and digital essential services such as banking, healthcare, and education. These seem like no big deal to us in Singapore, but consider how challenging it is to provide financial and educational services where large segments of the population are unbanked, untraced, and undocumented. Such problems are rife in the larger African continent, and Cardano ADA's adoption will soon be expected in Kenya, Nigeria, and South Africa. I guess there will be no more scam emails from shady Nigerian princes. If Cardano succeeds, the implications will be huge. It has the potential to revolutionize Africa by addressing some of the systemic problems within the continent, like corruption. Is there a chance that Africa could break free of its war-torn, battered, and colonized past, all because of Cardano? We don't know, but with its vast natural and human resources, Africa has plenty of potential for growth, perhaps similar to what we've experienced in Asia in the last century. Should you invest in Cardano ADA? Cardano ADA has the potential to change identity management as we know it, and for regions like Africa, it might very well be the only thing that's holding it back from rising up in the ranks of the world. There are also dApps based on the Cardano ADA blockchain that focuses on it, such as Atala Prism, Scan, and Trace, digitalizing processes whilst solving authentication and traceability problems. However, the thing that holds Cardano ADA back, and its value down, is the fact that, for a platform that touts itself to be better than Ethereum, basic features such as smart contracts have yet to be implemented, and its never-ending work-in-progress status. From an investment standpoint, Cardano ADA has some appealing features: low price, applicability in real-world situations, and small carbon footprint relative to Bitcoin and Ethereum. As it's still early days yet for Cardano, ADA is most definitely a hodl, buy and hold, crypto for the long-term investor. It's probably not for those who are looking to make a quick buck. You're better off buying Bitcoin or Ether from one of the many cryptocurrency exchanges in Singapore. Whatever crypto you choose, it's bound to be speculative, incredibly volatile, and not very suitable for retail investors, as a certain minister puts it. It's early days for all cryptocurrencies, and for investors. It can be difficult to separate hype from substance. Cardano took the slow and steady approach, which means it has a very solid platform, but missed the first mover advantage. It hopes to roll out smart contract capability later this year, and that will be an important test of its technology. The Cardano community postulates the price of ADA will one day reach $25. In order for that to happen, Cardano would have to hit a $1 trillion market cap. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and the rates keep on changing. Therefore, by the time you watch this video, the coin prices would have switched to a whole different range. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land.